Hi friends, how are you? This is Sergio Garcia, and I'm bringing you the disassemble of the Wacom Mobile Studio Pro 16 inches. As you can see now, I'm already tearing apart the tablet. This is the battery, and here we have the motherboard. The only thing you can upgrade of this Wacom tablet is the memory, which is this, an M2 SSD memory. This one is 520 gigabytes. So you need to be careful right over here because this part is very tough, since you need to remove all the glue that sticks the screen to the main body of the tablet. You need to remove all these cables from the heatsink, and also all these ones. You need to be careful while opening the tablet because you can tear one of these cables and then you are screwed, man. So be careful, guys. I hope you like it. I make this video because I search a lot on internet and I couldn't find anything about how to disassemble this machine. So I took the risk. I believe it worked. The problem with this machine is that I don't know what happened with my charger. It doesn't charge anymore. I believe it has something to do with a fuse over here, this one. But I'm not a technician. I don't know how to check it and to see if it works or not. So I wanted to get the information of this machine because I have some work to deliver. So everything is here. So I will put this SSD in another workstation to get the information. So I hope you like this video. To remove the screen, the first you have to do is to take out this part, this one, which is attached with glue, and it has some kind of clips over here. You need to be careful because you can break it like I did over here. It's already broke, so be careful there. As soon as you take out this part, you will notice the black screws over here. You need to remove them, and also you need to remove the other black rubber cover from over here. Is the same way as the other, but it doesn't have any clip at all. It's just a stick with the glue. And there's a black stick over here. Well, it doesn't have it anymore because I already removed it. But it's something like this. You need to take it out, and as soon as you remove it, you will see the screw over here and the other one over here. So as soon as you remove those screws and the ones over here, you can remove the display, but be careful with all the cables, and also you need to be careful with all the glue on this side. As you can see, there's still a little bit of glue here remains, and other ones over here. The toughest part is to remove this part because it sticks very well, and it's hard to remove it because it's a thin bezel over here from the screen. So be careful there. I hope you like this video, guys, and I hope that I could find out what's the problem with this machine. So see you soon. Have a great day or night or whatever. Take care. Bye.